Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the joystick on the Nintendo Switch left Joy-Con. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, undo 4 screws securing the cover. Next, gently use your fingernail or pry tool to lift and remove the cover. While separating, make sure to open gently to avoid accidental damage to cables. Next, disconnect the battery plug using a tweezer. Next, take out the battery using a pry tool. Next, undo 3 screws securing the battery compartment cover. Next, gently lift the battery cover and disconnect the ZL button flex. Lift the lever and undo the connector cable to free the battery cover. Next, disconnect the SL LR button board flex and left Joy-Con rail connector ribbons. Lift the lever and gently slide out the cables. Now you can separate the left front shell and left rear shell. Next, undo 2 screws securing the joystick. Next, gently pull out the not working joystick. Next, place and secure the new joystick. Ensure the gasket on place and secure it by adding 2 screws. Next, secure both SL LR button board flex and left Joy-Con rail connectors into the board and fasten the levers. Next, secure the ZL button flex cable and place the battery compartment holder. Next, secure the battery compartment holder by adding 3 screws. Next, place and secure the battery. Next, secure the battery plug. Use a tweezer to make the process easier. Next, snap the cover and secure 4 screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.